Welcome to the WSI Priority Media YouTube channel. Today, I am going to be showing you how to create the best landing page ever. I cannot tell you how many times I have seen people that run Google Ads, PPC, advertising, Facebook ads to what I would label as crappy landing pages, ineffective landing pages. And the worst thing about it is such a waste of money. Traffic costs money, folks. And when you take that traffic, if you don't put your best foot forward and you don't optimize your landing page, you're going to bleed money. It's like a dam, right, holding water. If you got holes in that dam, it's all going to bleed out. And so in our agency, we use what's called our 14-step landing page formula. Every single landing page will follow this 14-step methodology. And again, with over 98 million clicks underneath our belt, that is a lot of leads that we have generated for companies. We have tested so many different landing pages. This is the landing page that works and works extremely well. And what's great about it, it's repeatable for almost any business. All you have to do is just follow the structure. So follow along with me. I'm going to show you how to be able to use our 14-step formula. And here it is. So what we do is item number one is always make sure that it is mobile optimized. Look, over 90% of traffic now we are seeing is actually coming from mobile. And so when your page, gets shrunk down, you want to make sure that it looks good on mobile. It loads fast on mobile, and all of your key components are on there. So that's item number one. Number two, split test. You have to build your landing pages on some place that allows you to be able to A/B test. You can send your traffic to your website, but one of the biggest problems is websites are not set up for split testing. That's why I'm a big proponent. If you're using paid traffic, you need to be able to have your A/B testing model. I get asked all the time, which landing page builder is the best builder for me? And you know what? There's a ton of good ones. It's not the landing page builder. It is, even though some companies will lead you to believe that theirs is the end all be all. Look, they all work good. As long as you're able to track your analytics on it, as long as you're able to do A/B testing on it, and as long as you're able to build an easy, simple landing page, you're good. I like ClickFunnels. I like Instapage. I like Unbounce. They all work really good. Find one that just works good for you. Don't get hung up on which one is best or which one's gonna do more for you. So that's item one. That's item number two. Item number three is phone number right here at the very top of the page. Very important. You put your logo, right? A quick little tagline, and then right up at the very top, you want to be able to put some sort of social proof that's built in. All of this comes in right at our header in every single page. So super, super important. So item number three is phone on the top and it being clickable. We like to use a system called CallRail to be able to track all of our phone calls and record them, and that works really well. Item number four is what we call the why. Right now, you want to be able to put why choose us, the benefits about us, right there at the very top. Because when cold traffic is coming to your site, the first thing they want to know is, A, who are you, right? Am I in the right place? Why should I choose you? And how do I get a hold of you? Item number five is the form. You want to make sure that you have your form that is right here, right above the fold, that is right next to the why choose us. Why do you want the form up on top? It's because some traffic is already sold. You may have your ads have enough information where they trust you. They come in and they confirm who you are, why choose you, and they're ready to go. And you want them to be able to have both ways. Don't move this form down to the bottom. Use that at the top, okay? Item number six, proof. Social proof, right? Awards, recognition, accolades, whatever information that you have to be able to build your case, make sure that you build that directly underneath the fold. Very, very important, okay? And then number seven is you want to put your features and benefits right below that. Item number eight, you want to put your call to action right here in the middle of the page. I know we had it up on front. We want to go ahead and put it here and see if they're ready to go ahead and convert with you there. Item number 9, I want you to put features and benefits in this next block right here. And then item number 10 is your little about us. Give some information, give them some more. They're coming down this page. They've got the gist, but maybe they need that extra connection. So let's give that to them there. Number 11 is social proof. So Yelp, Google, Very important. Notice that these are not clickable. There is nothing clickable on this website. This is like that Hotel California. You can check in, but you can't check out. So many people I've seen put clickable links to Yelp. Folks, if they click on this and you send them to Yelp, they're going to get presented with other companies immediately, and people have the attention span of a gnat. They will be gone, and good luck in getting them back to your page. We let them see the 5-star reviews, let them read some actual reviews. Now, here's Yelp, here's Google. If there is an industry-specific rating service, put that on there. If not, just go with the Yelp and Google. Like this is a legal. By the way, this website right here, it is used by a law firm that has been around for well over 30 years that spends enormous amounts of money in their marketing, not just in TV and billboard, in radio, and in Google PPC. This exact page with this exact layout with all the components is actually what they use. So, and again, we have had a lot of clicks under our belt, and this is what we use as well too. So this is proven concept. Don't reinvent the wheel. Just follow the concepts. You can change it up, but follow the structures that I have that are laid out for you, okay? And then the next item right here, obviously, we have, our part of your social proof, right, in this whole section right here. And then item number 12, what I want you to do is put testimonials. Get your testimonials that are built right into this section here, item number 12. And then number 13, I want you to have your call to action right down here with your logo and then your phone number, a clickable phone number. Okay. And then what I want you to do is in your footer, make sure that you have your privacy policy. You will be penalized by Google in pay-per-click or Google Ads, or even if you're running Facebook ads, if you don't have your privacy policy. You can buy templates online from privacy policies, and they're very, very inexpensive. Just go in there and fill in the blanks and then put that in there. These are the pieces right here of a really great landing page that I promise you will make you money if you use them effectively. And we have this structure here built in ClickFunnels, and this is actually a shareable landing page. And if you're interested in getting this exact template, all you have to do is just change the colors, change the logos, change some of the wording, and it's all literally ready to go. If you use ClickFunnels, just send me a message, say, hey, send me a copy of the template. I'll send it to you for free, no charge. It's our gift to you. I hope that this information today has been helpful for you. If you have a specific landing page builder that you like and that you use, put it in the comments below. I'd love to hear about what your experiences are on there. And do me a favor, why don't you like it, share it, and subscribe so that you can be alerted of new video trainings like this that come out in the future. Goodbye for now.